a 2021 Bayliner 2050 DX deck boat with a walk-through windshield. One owner boat, used exclusively in Madison. 4.5 liter Mercruiser V6. Snap-on covers. Bimini top on a single axle trailer. With brakes and a swing away tongue. Don't forget about the front ladder. We'll jump inside and take a look. Inside the boat, showing you the Mercruiser 4.5 liter 200 horsepower engine. Dual batteries. Nice insulation throughout the engine compartment. Walk-through transom. L-shaped group. The backrest is removable to create a more open seating floor plan. This seat base is actually removable to be able to create a bucket seat. Seaweed floor covering, snap out. Driver's bucket seat with thigh rise bolster. 9-person capacity. Here's your helm with tilt steering, Jensen stereo, depth finder, full instrumentation. Moving to the front of the boat through the walk-through windshield. Got a nice storage compartment here. Nice, wide, deep bow seating with under-seat storage. Anchor locker with built-in swim ladder. Exterior video with the covers off.